To start with, business and immigration law updates. This is a presentation of the law office of the Khurana Law Firm, located in Rockville, Maryland. To illustrate this segment, we have Attorney Ramesh Khurana. Today, Attorney Khurana has alongside him Attorney Kenneth Haber, who questions Attorney Khurana on the removal of conditions on permanent residence-based marriage. Let's hear and see these two attorneys.
I'm Kenneth Haber, and this is The Capitol Forum. I'm a former Assistant United States Attorney and a former Senior Attorney in the Inspector General's Office of HHS, and with me today is a great immigration attorney, Ramesh Khurana. And I can say he's a great one because he helped me with the paperwork to get my wife through her immigration odyssey to get her green card and her citizenship. And so I know from firsthand that he does a first-class job. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Ken. I appreciate it.
It's my pleasure, and I've always appreciated you, sir.
Thank you so much.
We're here to discuss the the removal of conditions on a permanent residency green card and based on marriage. And I'm sure that the viewing audience has a lot of questions on this. Can you explain what a conditional green card is?
Yes, Ken, I'll be very happy to do that for the benefit of the audience. What happens is, Ken, when a marriage takes place and the marriage is not more than 2 years old and a petition is filed by the US citizen spouse for the alien relative or his or her spouse, and nowadays systems have been very much streamlined by the USCIS, and I have seen in my practice that when you file for the adjustment of status, and people get their green cards in 3.5 months to 4 months. So that's why marriage is not more than 2 years old, and there is a grant of green card by the USCIS, so they grant it only a conditional green card. That means you have to look at the expiry date of the green card. It is just 2 years. So you have to carefully diarize that your green card would expire within 2 years, and this is a conditional green card. And before it becomes a permanent green card, you have to file an application which is processed by the USCIS.
Under what conditions can a person apply for a green card?
Ken, of course, when we are talking about the marriage-based green card, and if there is a bona fide marriage between the spouses, one spouse can file for the green card for the other spouse. And if it is a good faith and bona fide marriage, I don't think there will be any problem, and USCIS will be very happy